Hey guys, Rennie Kimono here. I hope you're all having a wonderful Thursday. This is a hodgepodge of hauling. My goodness gracious, it's just all over the place. We have Dollar General, Walmart, Walgreens, Dollar Tree, and then a little mail call, little freebie that came in the mail. So I'm going to explain to you what I did, and I know that a lot of you are going to be heading out to the Dollar General on Saturday for the 5 off of 25, and it's going to be spectacular this Saturday, so definitely check out the 2 videos I posted earlier in the week for the gain, and then just general merchandise because it's on fire, including some pennies that we're going to talk about and how to get overage on it, and just some other great deals. Quick weather report for you guys. It's about 75 here today, kind of a hot day. We had some construction going on at the house, so it got done a while back, but you know, you always have to clean up after. It's one of those sort of things. But I made a video this morning about the Scotties deal. So this is called Scotties tissue. Now there's another product called Kleenex, and I don't know if you guys call a facial tissue a Kleenex, but that's the brand name. It's not, but this is facial tissue. And then they have Puffs, which is facial tissue. They have Scotties, which is facial tissue. My mom actually called me and she's like, you know, you called it Kleenex, wrote the video. Yes, but it's just one of those things. Do you call it a Kleenex or a tissue? I make that mistake all the time, but this is the product that you're looking for. It's called Scotties facial tissue. It is not Kleenex, because Kleenex is a different brand. But I just call these things Kleenexes, so that's, I think a lot of people make that mistake. Anyhow, you can get 5 of these. And there's a fancier one that's like extra soft, and basically at the Dollar Tree they're $1, and then you make a 75-cent submission to IBOTTA, and it shakes them out to $1 each. So I did this deal first thing this morning and it worked perfectly for me. My store didn't have the extra soft one. I know a lot of people were saying in the comments that they too can't use coupons at their Dollar Tree. It's just impossible, and I feel you, man. Honestly, it would be really nice to get the savings to get these items for free, but it's just not worth the headache and the drama involved in that, because, I mean, one time one of the staffers started screaming at me. It was just ridiculous, and it was over like a 50-cent coupon, so I don't want it. It's a really hard place to coupon because the cashiers have to press a key button. I don't know if it's like F9 or F7. And once they press that, the coupons will start scanning. If they just scan the coupon, essentially what happens is the coupons will beep. No matter what, no matter where, it will beep. So they have to be keyed in a certain way, which is ridiculous, but this is still a sensational deal. I love it. I hope it resets because I wouldn't mind getting some more. And I went for the biggest ones because they have a smaller cube, but this is the best value because you're getting 148 tissues. So anyhow, hopefully you could follow that. I will link the video on the specific math for that. And if your store is anything like mine where it is almost impossible to use coupons, I would say just pay the balance. To even pay $1 for a product like this, it's still winning and just a really great deal. A quick little mail call. I do follow the freebie guy, and he posted this on his Instagram a couple weeks back, and it's to get one of these dry sprays for free. So it finally arrived in the mail, and it's just a little travel size of the Dove dry spray, so very happy about that. The next store that we're going to talk about is Walgreens. I know a lot of you are just here for Walgreens deals, and I still had a bunch of manufacturers, so I said, you know what, I'm going to try a deal. I am missing a second toothbrush to show you guys for this because I actually used it. I'm like, you know what, I need a new toothbrush. So I did this deal yesterday and I decided, hey, I'm going to use one of my toothbrushes. So just pretend there's another toothbrush here, and this is some clearance stuff we're going to talk about in a second. So I had a subscriber, a lady by the name of Melissa, show me a deal, and she got the exact same things as me. So 4 tressemmes, 2 of these Shea Moistures, and then she got 2 tubes of toothpaste. Now, she was able to use her 25% off coupon that was emailed from the Speed Stick deal. So if you did the Speed Stick deal, at the bottom of your invoice that was emailed to you, there's a coupon there for 25% off. And I tried to scan it with these products, and I think because all of these products were sales price items, that's why the 25% coupon would not affix. However, she had 2 Crest toothpaste, and I think they weren't a sales price because they were ringing up for $3.79. This was ringing up for $3.99, which was a sales price, and I think that's why it didn't work out. However, the manager was checking me out last night, and the manager actually gave me back because the difference should be an extra $8 off or $8.49 off, but the manager just threw that in points on my card, which was really cool. So I'm going to talk about what I did, and even if you don't have that 25% coupon, it's still a really good deal if you can hit Beauty Club if you're close to it for this deal. So just to explain what I did here, and I'm going to show you Melissa's haul in a second too, just in case you might be able to get it to work, but I could not get it to work, and I think it's because I got the toothbrush instead of the toothpaste. So these little Shea Moistures, they're $3.99 a pop on a buy one get one 50% off. So one is $3.99 and one is $1.99. I got 2 of these toothbrushes at $3.99 a pop. And then the Tressemme is 2 for $10, so for 4 of them it's 20 bucks. And then when you buy 4 of those, you get a $4 register reward. When you buy 2 of these, you get a $4 register reward. So adding all of my merchandise up together, so these 4, 6, 7, 8 items, that is a total of $33.96. Now if the 25% came off, $8.49 would come off. And then $19 of manufacturers. I used a 5 off of 2 from this one, a 5 off of 2 for this one, and then the $2 from the August P&G for the brushes. So my new total was $14.96. Now my $8.49 did not come off, so don't factor that in. I used 10,000 points, paid $4.96 out of pocket. I got a $4 register reward for the Tressemme, a $4 register reward for the Oral-B, plus I hit Beauty Club. So right there for me, I mean, it's just a really good deal. But with that extra $8.49 off, it's a much better deal. So I would recommend to get the toothpaste. It might work out better for you, but Melissa had it worked out. But I tried to do a deal and I went off the grid, but it worked out because the manager gave me the points. But still, it was one of those things that I'm like, I should have got the toothpaste. But I'm like, I have so much toothpaste, I'd rather get toothbrushes. But either way, if you have some coupons to burn, maybe you want to do this deal one more time. And then I did find a little bit of clearance while I was out there, including the CeraVe. This is a diabetic cleansing wash, $5.49. We had a $3 coupon from a recent smart source, so it dropped it down to $2.49. I used 2,000 points, and I'm going to give this to my mom. And then I found the mother load of spearmint chapsticks, all sealed. This top is sealed, that's why I was interested in them. And they were 19 cents each. At the same store, there was some generic strawberry ones, like Walgreens strawberry or cherry chapsticks, but the Walgreens version, so it's not called chapstick. And those were 12 cents each, but I would rather get this one because, I don't know, just the spearmint thing, I just thought it would be kind of interesting. So I got 14 of these. So it's just like that. Do you call it like a lip balm or do you call it a chapstick? And if you call it a chapstick, it's kind of like calling that a Kleenex. So, Mom, I'm trying here. But anyhow, Walgreens just turned out really great. So I was very happy to do a couple deals. When you have a good relationship with the staff at the store, sometimes when things go sideways or you have a 25% off and it's not working, they'll always try and make it right. And I'm very fortunate that I have such an awesome store where I live. So they made that really cool for me. Okay, so let's head over to Walmart next. And then we'll talk about the Dollar General at the very end. So at Walmart, I just did a couple deals sparingly. I've mentioned this before that I'm somewhat disorganized, and sometimes with time management, that's the hardest thing for me to manage, where I'm doing something else. And then it's like, you know, 10 o'clock at night and I'm like, oh, I didn't do that, and all the stores are closed, and you guys know what I'm talking about. So anyhow, time management's been really hard for me this week. The first items that I found are on clearance, and this was on an end cap near the food, including these corn muffins. Sometimes my husband makes a really nice brisket or something like that, and to get this to make as a side with barbecue is just great. So these corn muffins were 50 cents. We also have these buttermilk biscuits for $1, and the original price was $1.98. It was like 50% off. Now this was a really good find. It's this Vita Cup, and it's a type of K-cup for coffee. And so you need a Keurig for it, obviously. This guy was $9.98 down to $3, and IBOTTA has a $3 rebate for this product. So it reset for me twice because you can only do it once per transaction. So I got 2 of them. I think maybe my brother might enjoy it. So I'm gonna buy him probably a Keurig for Christmas. And I just thought, you know, because these don't expire till next year, maybe I'll throw in the coffee that I got for free with IBOTTA. You know, he might enjoy that. This is another really easy deal with the Suave men. Unfortunately, this does not qualify for that checkout 51 rebate. These guys are $1.83. There was a $1.50 coupon in the Retail Me Not of August the 2nd. So it dropped it down to 33 cents per men's shampoo. Really great price point. And there was also a kids body wash shampoo by Suave, and we have a $1.50 coupon as well. Unfortunately, guys, my store was cleared, so somebody went and just cleared everything, so I could not even buy it, but I could buy the men's shampoo. The next little deal that we have is with these dry sprays. They are $4.97 a pop, so for 2 of them, that's $9.94. We have a 4 off of 2 from the Retail Me Not of August 2nd. So you would pay $5.94 out of pocket. IBOTTA is giving back a $2 rebate for both, so $2 back for the degree, $2 back for the axe. And then Shopkick's giving back 850 points, which is the equivalency of like $3.40. So it makes it free plus a $1.46 moneymaker. That's a fantastic deal. Fantastic deals. We grabbed some more tressemme. These guys are $3.98. So for 2 of them, that's $7.96. We had a 5 off of 2 from the Retail Me Not of August the 2nd. You're paying $2.96 out of pocket. Shopkick has 950 points when you do this as a bundle, when you buy both of them. So that's basically like 380 points, making it free plus a 94-cent moneymaker. Now this is a deal that I did over a couple of days. It's on these Lemmy Shines. They are $3.97 a pop. IBOTTA's giving back a $2 rebate, and Shopkick's giving back $2.75, making it 87 cents for a pack of dishwasher tabs. This is an item that we barely find on sale, so I was very delighted to get them. Okay, so the final store that I have is the Dollar General, and if you are going out this weekend, you might want to keep a watchful eye out for a couple of the pennies that I found. I mentioned this in my matchup video yesterday, so hopefully you got that information, but if you didn't, Dollar General is where it's going to be at this Saturday. Probably social media will be covered with Dollar General deals. So this guy is a penny as of Tuesday, and I found a couple of them at various stores. It's the Gillette 5. Here is the UPC. And there's a $4 digital coupon that's affixing to this, making it $3.99 of overage. So with that overage, I bought this for $2 along with some bagels. I don't have it on the table. And then for the other store that I got the Raid and another razor, I got this guy, which was $4.50, and it basically that covered the overage. Another really great overage item is the Raid, and this is a roach barrier, and this guy is a penny. And I'm gonna just put the UPC as a slide. There's a 55-cent digital, so it gives you 54 cents of overage, and I use the Angel Soft to grab the extra 54 cents. These are Broadway nail colors and they were all a penny, so you might want to look out for the Broadway line. Lots of those cosmetics are on clearance, and I'll throw in a slide of these UPCs if you want to look for them in a clearance section near you. Now, if you might be in a situation where you can't find any of these pennies, I know that they usually have totes where they throw the pennies in and out of, or they throw merchandise in and out of for clearance events. The next clearance event, you might be able to find these for a penny, or the Broadway, or the Raid, because they usually just put a bunch of clearance merch sometimes in totes, bring it to the back, and then bring it out for sale for the clearance event only. So these are definitely items you're going to want to look for in the next clearance event, and I typically find some pennies sometimes during a clearance event. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.